Hey guys, this is Luis Salgado, Lyft ambassador for the New York, New Jersey region, and I'm just doing a quick video to analyze the new bonus structure for Uber. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe right below. And if you haven't signed up to drive for Lyft or Uber, the links will be in the description below. This channel is for all of you that want to make more money driving for Uber and Lyft and every other platform of the self-employed world. So let's talk about this new bonus structure. Let me say ahead of time that many people are not too happy about this new bonus structure, but I'm right now in Charlotte in North Carolina, and it's the first time that I see it. So basically this bonus structure is being tested in smaller markets. Now, let's talk about how it works. So let's go and look into downtown Charlotte. Okay, as you see right there in the screen, there's different numbers, right? And these numbers represent the amount of money that you will get as a bonus. So instead of having a surge and a multiplier where you will have let's say that the ride is $10 and the multiplier to make it easy is 2x surge, then the ride will be $20. So instead of having that kind of bonus, they're just giving you a fixed number. Okay, so let's say that you're driving in this area, right? It's the darkest area, of course. In Park Road Park, it says there, and the bonus is $4.25. Let's say that you, for the sake of math, get a $10 ride, then on top of that $10 ride at the end, you would get $4.25 as a bonus. So it would be a $10 ride minus Uber's cut plus that $4.25 that you would get integrally. So Uber doesn't get part of that discount. They don't take part of that bonus itself. You get the whole $4.25. Now, right now, there used to be a surge here in the Charlotte Douglas International Airport. This is where I am now. We had a surge just now, and there was many flights coming in and out, and these flights were apparently there's not going to be too much demand now. So the surge is gone. But the surge for a minute, and I'll show you pictures, was $7. Okay. Now, what kind of effect does that have on the demand for people in these places? Okay. That means that in the airport, there's really nobody in the waiting lot. Okay. And in the case of the Charlotte airport, there's no it's not telling us, right, how many people are there, like it tells us now in other airports. But to get a sort of an idea of how many people would wait here, we're gonna go to the Lyft app, the Lyft driver app. And you see, there's only 6 drivers in the airport queue, which means 2 things. It either means there's really not a lot of demand for Uber or Lyft drivers in this airport, which I doubt it, or that the surge has created a vacuum and everyone is going elsewhere to where these bonuses are. Okay? Now, before there was a $7 surge, like I said, and there was nobody here. So what it means for Uber drivers, at least, is that not having a surge in the airport makes the waiting here or coming to this airport worthless for them. So I just wanted to show you how this structure works. I've never seen it before. Of course, we've heard about it. I hope that Lyft doesn't try to adopt the same bonus structure because it would kill them. But that's what Uber is doing here in Charlotte, North Carolina. So I just wanted to talk about that quick bonus structure, and just like that, it disappeared. You saw it just disappear. So I don't know what the I don't know what the rate here in North Carolina is, but I just want to say that if you don't get a bonus of any type, I don't suggest that you drive because it's not worth driving, especially if you drive for Uber. So, from Charlotte, North Carolina, this is Luis Salgado, LYFT ambassador for the New York, New Jersey region, and I hope to see you the next time.